Perfect. So let me change the angle. So here's the box of this toner. Okay, let me put this a little bit away. There you go. So let me open the box. Ta-da-ta-ta-da. Okay, and the box is nice. It's a simple box. You can see here Studio Boom Arm. Okay, 2 years warranty, which is nice as well. Made in China, toner mic. You have here some information in different languages, so you can see what do you have here. As you can see, yes, it's a neat box. Absolutely, yes, absolutely. You're completely right. So let me see what's inside the box. There you go. So here you have the usual manual or instruction manual. Okay. They are really easy to assemble. You can use or the microphone clip or just mount a shock mount like this one, for instance. Also, you have here a welcome card for support. So let me see what we have here. I think this should be a pop filter to prevent those explosives like the P's, and the T's going into the microphone. As you can see, let me check. You have also this windshield. Look, it looks really nice. Look, prevent wind and plosives as well. Going to the microphone. Let me see what we have in this. Oh, here we have the mount, the clamp. And this for me, it's one of the big good points about this boom arm because besides this being really sturdy, solid, okay, the thing is this is a hook where you can hang, for instance, headphones, a backpack. It's up to you. Okay, as you can see, you can put here hanging headphones. Really nice and sturdy. Let me see what else we have here. Yes, it's similar. Yes, Karinder, you're right. I think here we may have a microphone clip. Yes, there you go. Could be useful as well. You can adjust tilting with these nuts. Nice. Also, we have these straps to manage the cables so they don't stay hanged. Okay, I think this is all clean. Let me see. Oh, look how nice this is. I think we should pull this. And here we can open this. Okay, this is good. Okay. So this is how it opens. Hopefully. Oh, this is really well stored, let me tell you. Okay, I can remove this. Let me check in a while and I can tell you proper. Well, it's normal, not but not too heavy. No, not too heavy. Okay. So it comes with this adapter as well. As you can see. Oh my god. There we go. Let me see if I can reduce the light. There you go. So here you have this adapter, depending on the microphone you're using. This could be helpful. One of the things I like about this boom arm is that it's bigger than this one. Let me show you. So this one, it's 35 centimeters. This one is for per segment. So 35, which makes around, let me see, 70. And this one has more, 12 centimeters on each segment, which means it has more, 24 centimeters than this one. Because even though this boom arm has springs, Carinder, as you can see, there's no spring noise, which is really nice. As you can see, it moves. One of the things I like to say about this boom arm is the three, let me see, I think it's three S's: smooth, sturdy, and strong. No, I don't think it's strong, but there's another S. Let me see if I remind meanwhile. Okay. As you can see, let me see if I can show you putting this aside. Look, it's bigger. I don't listen to noises coming from the springs, which is nice. Okay. So let me assemble this. Let me see. I think with this angle, you can see it better. Let me see where I can put this one. Maybe at, okay, I'm gonna move, no, I'm gonna put this one at the edge of the desk. I'm gonna open the clamp. Yes, yes, 360, Carinder. This is really sturdy, this clamp. Okay, let me put it here. Let me put this away. Okay, let me put this here. So as you can see, oops, it moves. Okay. It moves 360 degrees. As you can see, also it's bigger than this one, the T20. This is the T30. Okay, so let me put this here. I'm gonna use this adapter. So this Carinder, each part of this one and this one, it's 47 centimeters. This one is 35. Okay, so this one has more, 24 centimeters than this one, almost 1 feet. Foot, sorry. Okay, so let me put this here. I'm gonna drop this down. There we go. And also you have here these wing nuts, so you can okay, let me do this. Okay, so you can adjust the position. Okay, now let me now. And I'm gonna replace this windscreen. Let me check if this fits here perfectly. Awesome. Okay, let me put the cable. There you go. So now I'm gonna put this cable here. Let me put the straps so you can see the full job here. Please, if you have any questions, just let me know. Don't be shy. There you go. Another one. Hello, Arnaldo. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you? Enjoying Portuguese winter? So there you go. Now I'm gonna plug this microphone. They say that this boom arm holds up to 4.4 pounds, okay, and it's resistant. Let me move it so I can see, and silent. Okay, nice. Now, okay, you can put the, let me put the pop filter as well, even though it's not something that I like to use, but just maybe you may want to use it. Yes, it is really easy to move, Carinder. Okay, there you go. And you should put the pop filter this way, okay? Because if you put it down, this may fall like this, and with this, you will avoid plosives. So now let me do something here. Okay, as you can see, easy to move. And I'm gonna do something. Please don't try this at home. Let me change the microphone. I'm gonna change to this microphone. This is the Q9 from Tonor as well. It's listed in the carousel. So if you like the sound, you may want to take a look at, well, let me see. Is playing? Yes, I think it is. Just let me see. Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Okay, so I think this is working. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna change the headphones. Let me know if you have any questions, by the way. I don't know which microphone I'm using right now. This is going insane. I think my Bluetooth dongle, it's a little bit crazy, so it's getting hard to connect this to the speakers. Let me do this. Okay. So now you're listening to this microphone, okay? And I think, hello. As you can see, it's doing a good job preventing the plosives going in through the microphone. Please be aware. Okay, I think it does a pretty good job, but let me see it like this. I'm gonna remove the pop filter and I'm gonna show you some technique because, okay, if you want to use the pop filter, no problem for me. Okay, it's up to you. But there's a technique which will help you to somehow remove plosives going in through the microphone, which is, and please pay attention, you should move the microphone like 45 degrees, like this. Okay, let me see if I can show you in this angle. As you can see, it's a little bit away. Okay. And the other thing, instead of speaking directly to the microphone, speak slightly off axis. As you can see, I'm in this direction. Oops. I'm in this direction and the microphone it's like this. And with this, you are good to go. Okay. But if you want, you can use the pop filter as well. It's up to you. Okay. So let me do something here. Let's see how sturdy and strong this pop filter, no, the boom arm is. Okay. I'm gonna put some. Okay. I'm gonna put these two speakers. It's around 4 pounds, 3 pounds, both of them. Okay, so it's about 1.5 pounds each one. So I'm gonna put this here and let's see if the boom arm holds them. Okay, let me do this. Let's bring some excitement. Okay, so let's put the first one and it stays perfect. So let's go for the second one. Okay, it remains there. Let's try another one. And don't have in mind, don't forget that the microphone it's already there and it stays. As you can see, it's not falling. So let me put let's see how strong this is. Oh, okay. I think this was too much. But yes, this is over what they state. Okay, but the thing is, I'm pretty sure that you're not using a microphone with 4 pounds. I think they are lighter. Okay, and the other thing you can, oops, you can fasten here the boom arm so it remains in the position, but it is a really nice boom arm. Okay, and the thing that I like about this, because I already, oh my god, I already have the T20, which is really similar to this one. The fact is, this one it's bigger, so it's easier to manage. Okay, and also it gives me more freedom to move around because with this is tiniest. Okay, so it's up to you how do you want to make things, but both of them are really good choices. Okay, they are. Let me see if I remind the 3S strong. Okay, maybe they have more S. One of the thing is they are silent. Okay, even though they have the springs, they are silent. Smooth, yes, silent, smooth, and strong or sturdy. It's up to you, or solid. Okay, but the thing is, they remain and they are stable. Okay, stable could be best option. They are silent and they are smooth because it's really easy to move them around. And as you can see, because some boom arms you need to hit a stake to move them, or others they move too much. You put the boom arm like this, and then it will finish like this. Okay, so as you can see, really nice boom arm.